Hello everyone! You know that feeling when a vehicle doesn't just look powerful, it feels powerful even before you drive it. That's exactly what happens the moment you stand in front of the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo. This isn't just another big SUV. This is something else. It's like Nissan took a luxury family SUV and then gave it a performance personality. From a distance, it already looks bold. But as you get closer, the details start to hit you. That massive front grille, redesigned with a honeycomb mesh, immediately grabs attention. It's not just for looks either. It actually helps with airflow and cooling. Then you notice the red accents. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to remind you this is a Nismo machine. Around the bumper, along the sides, even subtle touches near the grille. It all adds up to something aggressive, but still premium. It's not your typical SUV design. It's sharper, sportier, with larger air intakes that make it look like it's ready to move, even when it's parked, walk around to the side. And the size of this SUV becomes real. It's big, properly big. But those 22-inch forged wheels change everything. They're lighter than standard wheels, which actually improves performance and handling. And visually, they make the whole SUV look planted and muscular at the back. Things get even more interesting. There's a roof spoiler, layered diffuser, and a design that feels more like a performance car than a traditional SUV. Everything here is designed to improve aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. And that's when it clicks. This is not just a luxury SUV, this is a performance SUV. You open the door, step inside, and the whole vibe changes. The outside is aggressive. The inside is a mix of luxury and sport. The first thing you notice is the color theme black and red. It's everywhere. Seats, dashboard, stitching, steering wheel. It gives the cabin a sporty feel, but without losing that premium touch. The seats themselves are something special. They're not just soft and comfortable. They're designed to hold you in place when you drive hard. Covered in a mix of leather and Alcantara with Nismo branding, they feel like they belong in a performance car. You sit down, and immediately you feel the space. This is a full-size SUV.7. Even 8 people can sit comfortably depending on configuration. And unlike many SUVs, the third row isn't just extra space, it's actually usable. The dashboard feels modern. Clean and high dash tech, a large infotainment screen sits in the center. Fully loaded with connectivity features like wireless smartphone integration. The digital cluster gives you all the driving information you need, and everything feels easy to access. There's also a premium sound system, ambient lighting, and all the little luxury touches that make long drives comfortable. Your eyes go back to the steering wheel. Flat bottom design, red center stripe, sporty grip. And you remember, this is a Nismo. You press the start button, and the engine comes alive. Now this is where things get serious. Under the hood, you've got a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine. And it's not just powerful, it's seriously powerful. Around 495 horsepower and 700 Newton-meters of torque. That's not normal SUV power. That's performance car territory. You put it in drive, ease forward, and immediately you feel the difference. Despite its size, it doesn't feel slow, it doesn't feel heavy, it feels responsive. You press the accelerator a bit harder, and the SUV moves with confidence. Smooth, controlled, but strong. And when you really push it, that's when the Nismo personality comes alive. The acceleration is surprisingly quick for something this big. It doesn't feel like a bulky SUV. It feels like something much smaller and more agile. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts smoothly, keeping the power delivery consistent. And thanks to the Nismo tuning, everything feels sharper. Steering, suspension, throttle response, it's all been adjusted to give a more engaging driving experience. Take it on a highway, and it feels stable, very stable. Even at high speeds, the SUV feels planted. The aerodynamics, the suspension, the overall build, everything works together to keep it under control. It's still comfortable. That's the impressive part. You can drive it aggressively, and it responds. Or you can just cruise, and it relaxes. That balance is not easy to achieve. Now let's talk about comfort. Because at the end of the day, this is still a family SUV. The seats are soft enough for long journeys. The cabin is quiet. The ride quality is smooth, especially with advanced suspension systems helping absorb bumps and rough roads. There's enough legroom, headroom, and storage space for road trips. You can take your whole family, luggage, and still feel comfortable. It's fully loaded. You get driver assistance systems, cameras, sensors, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, everything you expect from a modern luxury SUV. It's not just about performance, it's about safety too. Now, of course, no car's perfect. This is a big SUV, so in tight city spaces, you'll feel its size. Fuel economy is not going to be amazing either. You don't get 495 horsepower without using fuel, and the price. That's something to consider. The 2026 Patrol starts around high-end, luxury pricing, and the Nismo version goes even higher depending on features. In some markets, it's around $80,000 or more. But then again, this is not a normal SUV. You're paying for performance, luxury size, and brand value all in one package. And when you step back and look at it again, it makes sense, because the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is not trying to be practical. It's trying to be special. It's for someone who wants a big SUV, but doesn't want to feel bored driving it. Someone who wants space, but also speed, comfort, but also character. By the end of the drive, one thing becomes clear. This isn't just a vehicle you buy for daily use. It's something you enjoy every time you start it, every time you accelerate, every time you look back at it after parking, and that's what makes it stand out. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is not just about getting from one place to another. It's about how you feel while doing it. And honestly, that feeling is hard to ignore.